Hi, everyone. This is Fred from Teaching Bites TV. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to clean up your desktop if your desktop looks like this. Now, you can see my desktop, it's a mess. Tons of files, tons of screenshots, tons of things I did not delete over the, weeks, months, or even years. And it's time to clean it up because you know what? I can't find anything. It's really, really hard. And it's better to have a clutter-free desktop so that it can calm my nerves a little bit and hopefully get my productivity up. Okay, so let's do this. If you can see my mouse on the left side of the screen, right here it's moving. If you can find an empty spot like this, okay, maybe your MacBook's desktop is all like this crazy. You can find a little empty spot. Go ahead and click it, and then right-click it. So right-click, and then you go to the middle of this little menu that says Use Stacks. Click on that, and let's see, it automatically sorted all the files. You'll see my documents, my images, PDF documents, some music files, movie files, presentations. Also have some spreadsheets, it looks like, and I have other screenshots right here. So let me show you that again. So I'm going to right click on an empty part of my Mac's desktop, and then I'm going to uncheck Use Stacks, and here's the mess, right? So I can go ahead and find an empty spot. You may have to move your files around to find an empty spot, just like this. So go ahead and find one here, right click, go to Use Stacks, and it automatically puts it and sorts it on the desktop. Now here's what's cool. I can sort that even further. If I right click, I'm using stacks, but I can group the stacks by kind, by the date I opened. And you can see it moved things by date. Right click, use stacks, group stacks by date added, previous 7 days, previous 30 days, 2020, 2021, even yesterday. Right click, so it looks like it goes about 1 year, and then group stacks by date modified, created, and by tags. Okay, I personally like using just by kind, so I can tell what images I have, the pictures, documents, some PDF files, music, movies, and so on. So go ahead and try that on your computer, on your MacBook, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Okay, bye.